Hi everyone! In this video, we'll create an image component for WaioChat. This will let you send pictures inside your chats and reuse them whenever you need. We're going to set it up in just 5 steps. The first step is creating and using an image component. To get started, open the Quick Actions side panel by clicking the WaioChat icon on the left. Inside this panel, you'll find a bunch of media options like Quick Send and Image, which are the building blocks for sending pre-configured content. Scroll through the list to get familiar with the different quick send media items available to you. Expand the Folder Images section to see the image components you've already saved. Go ahead and click on one of the existing image items like the WaioChat one to open its editing panel and see how a finished component looks. Once you've had a peek, close the editing panel so we can start fresh. Reopen the Quick Actions panel by hitting the menu icon, and we're ready to create our own image component from scratch. Now that you understand what image components are, let's put that knowledge into practice. Moving on to creating a new image component, where we'll build the visual item with its caption and preview. To create a new image component, click on the Image option under the Create tab. When the new image panel appears, give your component a clear, recognizable name in the title field. Next, hit the Select Image button to choose the file you want to use. From the File window, pick the image you'd like to use for your marketing or sales campaign and open it. Once the preview loads, add a caption in the Caption field. This step is optional, but it's a good practice to always include one for context. Scroll down and toggle on the Mention All option. This is a powerful feature because when you send this image to a group, every member will get notified, which is great for visibility. Open the Add to Folder dropdown and pick Folder Images to keep your component organized. Finish up by hitting Save Image to store your new component. The new image component is now configured with its caption and preview. Next, let's move on to managing the image components folder, where we can organize and quickly remove items from the send list. To manage where your image lives, scroll down and expand the Folder Images section again to see the image you just saved inside it. If you'd rather keep this component outside the folder, hit the Remove this item from the current folder icon on your new image. Collapse the folder and scroll down through the main list, and you'll spot the image now sitting on its own, ready to use. Want to make changes? Just click on the image item to open its editing panel back up. Since everything's already set, close the editing panel. Your image is now live in the Quick Send Media section, ready to fire off in any chat with its caption attached. We've successfully managed the items inside our image components folder. Let's move on to sending the image in a chat. To send the image in a chat, hit the Send button on your image item. And just like that, the image goes out with its caption already attached, followed automatically by your signature. That signature was added because you had it enabled for manual sends. You can check or tweak this setting anytime by hovering over the signature icon in the message bar to reveal the available options. The image has been sent successfully in the chat. Now let's move on to integrating with scripts and mass sending, so you can reuse this image across automated workflows and bulk campaigns. To take this even further, head over to the Script option inside the Quick Actions panel. Your image component can be attached to scripts, making your outreach much more dynamic. From here, switch to the Manage tab and then hit the Mass Send button. This is where everything comes together, letting you pair your scripts with mass sending for a complete sales-boosting workflow. And that wraps up the scripts and mass sending part. Your image component for WaioChat is ready to go. Have fun using it in your next chat.